Hello, my dear student. I hope you are very well. This is annual exam 2024 question paper for Kamrup District Level Internal Exam Committee, Kamrup District, Assam. This is very important question paper for Kamrup District. Annual exam for all district are very important. This question paper you read carefully and write all this question answer. First time visit to my channel, please subscribe and share this video. Let's start this video. Group A, full mark 90, time 3 hours. Firstly, choose the correct answer. First question, which one of the following is a formula of simple interest? This answer is PRT divided by 100. Answer C is correct. Then number 2 question, fraction from 50%. Answer correct is 100 divided by 50. C number. Third number question, which one of the following is a rational number? Correct answer is B. Then which one of the following is the value of a to the power 0? Answer correct is D. Which one of the following is the degree of a zeroth polynomial? Answer correct is A. Number 6 question, the following expression is a, it is polynomial. This correct answer is polynomials. This is not given answer. Answer D is correct. None of this. And then 7 number. Abscisic point is a positive in. Answer correct is B. 1 and 4 quadrant. Next 8 number. Sum of the two supplementary angle is. Answer correct is C. 180 degree. Which one of the following is not a congruence rules of the true triangle? AAA. Answer B is correct. Number 10 question, if the acute angle of a triangle, right angle and triangle is 50 degree, then the other is, answer is correct. 11 number, the figure formed by joining the corresponding midpoint of a quadrilateral is, answer correct is B square. 12 number, area of the triangle and the parallelogram on the same base and between the same parallel line, answer correct is B half. And then 13 number, longest chord of a circle is known as diameter. Which one of the following is the true according to the Heron's formula? Answer correct is S is equal to 1 by 2 into perimeter. Then 15 number, the total surface of the hemisphere will be, answer correct is C 3 pi r square. And then 16 number, if the diameter of a sphere is d centimeter, then the volume of the sphere will be, answer correct is C number 1 by 6 pi d cube. Then 17 number, the difference between the maximum minimum observation of the data is, answer correct is D range. Then 18 number, the class mark of a class 130 to 150 is, answer correct is 140. Then 19 number, if P of E is the probability of occurrence of an event E, then answer correct is C 0 greater than equal to P of E and then greater than equal to 1. Then 20 number, the number of the probability outcomes when the die is thrown, answer correct is 6. Then B group, one more question answer. 21 number, what is the only even prime number? Then what is the P of E, P of Q from 0.81 bar? Simplification, root 10 into root 5. Find 64 to the power 1 by 2. 25 number, root over a square. This multiply this one, a square minus b square. Answer is A minus B. Then express the formula. Expand the formula. This is expand. This is form. What is the zeros of the following polynomial? That is, zeros polynomials are minus 1 by 2. Write down the degree of the polynomials. The degree of polynomial is 8. Write down the coordinates of the origin, that is 0, 0. The point -1, 10 will be which the quadrant. Write the standard from the line equation in the two variable. 32 number, write y is equal to 2x in the form of ax plus by equal to c equal to 0. Then given, then next question, the two adjacent angle of the parallelogram is the ratio 4:5. What will be value of all the angles of a parallelogram? Then segment of a circle, origin between the area dash the circle. Then find the quadrilateral triangle whose the perimeter is 24 centimeter. Then write down the formula of a two surface area of the cone. Next, C group, find the P of E and P of 2 for the following polynomial from the figure coordinate A and B. Diagram of the following figure, value of x and y. AB parallel CD. Find the distance of the chord of the center whose the length 10 cm or radius of the circle 13 cm. Next, find the area of the triangles, two sides 8 cm, 11 cm, perimeter 32 cm. The rationalize the diameter of the following. The next question, if the triangle ABC and triangle DCB are the two isosceles triangle on the same base BC and vertices A and D on the same side BC, if the ADN extend to the intersect BC at P, show that the ABC congruence angle ACD. The next question, give the same given below are the sets won by the different political parties in the polling outcome of the state assembly election. Political party A, B, C, D, E and seat won 55, 37, 29, 10 and 37. Draw a bar graph from the following data. Next, 4 mark question answer. The construction of the triangle ABC, which BC 7 cm, angle B 60 degree, A plus AB plus AC is 13 cm. It is construction. And the 4 marks question answer, 2 question 4 marks and 3 question 9. This is question paper for all district, very important. যে এই কোয়েশ্চন সকল ডিস্ট্রিক্টের জন্য সমান ইম্পর্টেন্ট। ভিডিওটা ভালোভাবে দেখবে, যে কোয়েশ্চনগুলো আছে সকল ডিস্ট্রিক্টের জন্য কমন আছে, এখান থেকে ম্যাক্সিমাম কোয়েশ্চন তোমরা কমন পেয়ে যাবে। আমি সকল ডিস্ট্রিক্টের জন্য কোয়েশ্চন পেপার বানিয়ে দেব, তোমরা কমেন্ট করে বলবে। তোমরা কমেন্ট করে বলেছো কামরূপ ডিস্ট্রিক্টের জন্য বানিয়ে দিচ্ছি, করিমগঞ্জ ডিস্ট্রিক্টের জন্য বানিয়ে দেব। এর মধ্যেই তোমরা আমার ভিডিও দেখতে থাকবে, সবার সাথে শেয়ার করে দেবে। চ্যানেলটা নতুন দেখে থাকলে সাবস্ক্রাইব করে বেল আইকনটা